Asterisk compatible with 0714 Tahoe, 0713 Avalanche, 0714 Suburban 1500, 0713 Suburban 2500. This item includes 1x pair of headlights, left plus right. Bulb model 9005 high, H1 low beam *** bulbs not include. Comes with complete set of headlight kit, headlamp and bumper lights, plug-and-play operation, direct OE fitment or replacement for the stock unit. Brings a different appearance to Veichle that great for show use, requires no modification or drilling. A headlight, headlamp, is a lamp attached to the front of a vehicle to light the road ahead. Headlight performance has steadily improved throughout the automobile age, spurred by the great disparity between daytime and nighttime traffic fatalities. Headlights are one of the most important components of your vehicle. They allow you to see the road in front of you clearly during the night and in any bad weather that may arise. Our headlights upgrade the face of your vehicle with clear style and extreme range. Top reviews from the United States. Quality. They are a perfect fit and exactly what I was looking for. Came fast and packaged nicely. Looks like a brand new Tahoe now.